Laughter yoga is one of the fun-filled style of yoga, which is capturing a lot of attention these days. A lot of people are interested in laughter yoga, so they have many questions and doubts about it. In this video, I will answer some of the frequently asked questions about laughter yoga. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I'm Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you'll find free content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. So let's move on to the topic. The first question, what is laughter yoga? Laughter yoga or Hasya yoga is the latest exercise routine for your body, mind, heart and soul. Laughter yoga is based on the science for laughing for no reason. We initiate laughter as a form of exercise which later transforms into real contagious laughter. Laughter yoga sessions include techniques like stretching, chanting, clapping, childlike playfulness with body movement. Who founded laughter yoga? An Indian physician, Dr. Madan Kataria, discovered laughter yoga. On 13th March 1995, Dr. Madan Kataria started practicing laughter yoga with 4 people in a park. It was the first laughter yoga club of the world. Now it is followed all across the globe. What are the benefits of laughter yoga? Laughter yoga has numerous benefits. It works on your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual body. We have a detailed video on this topic. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. Go watch it. Why should I do fake laughter? Laughter yoga is based on a science for laughing for no reason. The concept of laughter yoga is to fake it until you make it. Your mind knows you are faking the laughter, but your body cannot differentiate between the real laughter and the fake laughter. So even if you are faking it, you will be getting the real physiological and psychological benefits. So there is no harm in faking. Since you have to start from somewhere, so fake it. But I assure you that it will convert into real contagious laughter. Why laughter yoga is called yoga? The Sanskrit word yuj means to integrate and harmonize. Laughter integrates all aspects of life, our physical body, mind, emotions and soul. Laughter integrates our inner world with the outer world. Laughter increases personal and life satisfaction level. That is called santosha. If you see the yogic philosophy, the second limb of yoga is niyam, that is rules. And in niyams, santosha, that is contentment, is one of the important rules for living a yogic life. The more you laugh, fewer ego problems you have. Laughter causes reduction in ego, which is the important element of a spiritual life. That is why I call it a yoga. But there are some people who are criticizing laughter yoga and call it madness. I understand their problem. Since they have to market their own brand, their own yoga, it happens. For me, the biggest brand ambassador of laughter is Po Thai, a Chinese Zen monk who got enlightened while laughing. Can you imagine? Try it with an open heart, without judging it, and then decide. Next question is, what is the mantra of laughter yoga? The mantra of laughter yoga is ho ho ha ha ha, ho ho ha ha ha. Then we add little bit of playfulness to it, and it sounds like very good, yay, very good, yay. So the next question is, how many calories a laughter yoga session burns? The research of International Journal of Obesity claims that 15 minutes of laughter can burn up to 10 to 40 calories. But the burning of calorie depends on the metabolic rate of the person and the intensity of laughter. Should you look at participant in eyes while doing laughter yoga? Yes, you should look at participant in eyes while doing laughter yoga exercises. That makes a laughter a contagious process. We have special neurons in the brain which are called mirror neurons. We mimic other person's emotions. So if we see a person laughing, we also start laughing. How to end a laughter yoga session? A normal laughter yoga session ends with laughter meditation and grounding technique. After intense laughter yoga session, it is important to do some grounding technique to normalize our system. Some of the grounding technique that we use after laughter yoga session are Yoga Nidra, the guided relaxation, silent meditation, vowel chanting and humming. How to learn laughter yoga? You can learn laughter yoga from any of the nearby laughter club. Also, you can do the laughter yoga leader training to learn each and every aspect of laughter yoga. You can enroll into our laughter yoga leader training. The link is available in the description tab. How many laughter yoga clubs are in the world? There are approximately 5,000 laughter yoga clubs in the world. And the best part is majority of them are absolutely free. So go out there and practice laughter yoga. What to wear in a laughter yoga session? Laughter yoga does not have any predefined dress code. You can wear comfortable and loose clothes so that you can move freely without any restriction. Make sure your abdominal region is free so that you can breathe and laugh properly. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to your life. If you think so, please press the like button and comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. If you have any query related to this video or if you are struggling from any of the health related issues, kindly comment and let us know so that we can make upcoming videos on the same topic. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal.